Hey, what's going on, world? It's your nutritional wellness guy, me, Chef D, and I'm back with another tip. Today, it's all about organic coconut brown sugar. Brown sugar. Anywho, but all just aside, coconut brown sugar is a great alternative to white sugar and some of the other sweeteners out there. Why, you say? I got you. It's really good because it ranks lower on the GI or the glycemic index, which helps with the absorption of glucose. On top of that, it's also loaded, I shouldn't say loaded, it has some trace, oh, that's cap, my bad. It has some trace minerals of calcium, iron, and zinc, as well as polyphenols and some antioxidants that are good for overall optimum health. Now, there is a component in here, a compound called inulin, which is good for the absorption or the decreased absorption of glucose in the bloodstream. So those with an insulin sensitivity, this may be a great alternative to, for you. Check with your doctor first. Now, besides those facts, it really just tastes good. Now, seriously, I use coconut brown sugar just about for everything nowadays. I used to use turbinado sugar a lot, but I swapped it out for this. Coffee, amazing. My green matcha lattes, amazing. And bacon is really great for bacon. Coconut brown sugar, how I do okay? Coconut brown sugar, yikes. Another healthy-ish health hack approved. And remember, health is wealth, and I'm just here to make sure you're getting paid. Until next time, yum on.